So yesterday I tried the calculator API, but it says closing curly brace is wrong in the syntax. I posted the photos too, sir.
Okay, don't post to me directly, post in the group. Okay, so
Okay.
curly brace means you have to add over there. Okay,
I added, sir. It's already there. When we keep the curly open brace, it will come into open brace and the closed brace, right?
correct.
I don't know what's the problem.
Okay, still you are
I
facing the
posted in
issue.
the group also,
Okay, no
but I
problem.
didn't
What
get
I'll
any
do at
response.
the end of the class, I'll make you presenter. You can share your screen. I can help you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Please log in with the laptop. Okay.
Yeah. I'm with laptops.
Okay, sounds good. Apart from that, any other questions?
Sir, certification reminds everyone.
Yeah, very good. So first I'll show this. Okay, so let me share my screen. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, certifications you will get like this. Okay, this is architecture training. Let me close this. So very first step, I recorded this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So very first step, what you can do, just type training.mulesoft.com. Okay. So if you want to get a voucher, you have to go to this link, training.mulesoft.com. So I'm gonna post this in the chat box. Can someone try to copy paste and post in the group? Okay. So very first step, you have to log in with this training.mulesoft.com. So once you log in with, so here it is asking login. Just click on this. You could see different options: training, Anypoint platform, help center. Okay. So this training Anypoint platform, already we have account, correct? So here you can select the training option here. So see, directly it is open for me. Okay, what you can do, it will ask you register. Okay, so you have to register for that. Okay, understood?
Well, the background disturbance వస్తుంది some I
1 second.
Yeah, some disturbance వస్తుంది, sir.
1 second, hold on. Just give me a minute. Now,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
okay, perfect. So click on login training. See, once you click on this, directly you will get this page. Okay, I think you don't have account for this training.mulesoft.com. What you have to do, just click on sign up and you can provide all the required details. Okay, just fill this everything, click on this checkbox and click on sign up. Okay, once you sign up this, you have to log in this. So you will get this page. See here, I mentioned this is my username and then password. Just click on sign in. Since I have already credentials, so I logged in here. You can see, welcome to, it will display your name. Very first step, what you have to do, click on the courses. So once you click on this courses, you could see, so many courses over here. Okay. Click on self-paced free. Click on this option so that it will take to you all free courses. So in this free courses, you can see overview courses. Don't go with this. You just go with this development courses. Okay. Because we are, taking course for MuleSoft development. So in this, you can select anyone, either this or this, your wish. Okay. Anypoint Platform Development Fundamentals, or this. Any one, you have to register for this. Okay. Now, let me click on this. Anypoint Platform, Mule4 for Mule3 users. So it will ask you register. Just click here. So it will throw one pop-up. Hey, do you want to enroll this session? Yes. Click on OK. I want to enroll. Okay. Now you can see enrolled in the course session. It is already enrolled for you. Now just click on OK. Directly it will take to you that course. So already I enrolled this, long back. So once you open this, you will get like this. Okay. Here you have all the courses, course content, everything. Some practice exam will be there at the end. Okay. Apart from that, you have to finish all this. So first click on this, open this folder before you start. See, this already I have a check mark. Okay. So for you, you will not get the check mark. What you have to do, click on this, click on next.
Welcome to the Endpoint Platform Development Mule4 for Mule3 Users course. Welcome to the Endpoint Platform Development.
1 second. Okay. So here you can see introduction, this course. Here I could not see any tick mark over here. Understood? So what you have to do, you have to finish this video. You have to watch this video. He's going to explain about some MuleSoft only. Okay. But he will cover eye level. He's not going to explain how I'm going to explain this. Okay. Next. So here, what you have to do? So you have to listen this. If you are not interested to listen this, what you can do? You can go to other, tab. So whatever you want, whatever you like, if you want to browse something, you can do that. Okay. Again, after 4 minutes, you just come back here. See, now still only 53 seconds over. So we have to wait for 4 minutes, 15 seconds. You should not forward this. Okay. If you forward this, you will not get the tick mark over here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So any questions here up to now?
ఫైనల్ గా టిక్ మార్క్ అయితే ఉండాలి సార్, అంతేనా?
Yes.
Right.
You have to get the tick marks, all the tick marks. Okay. Then only you will get the voucher. So here you have to remember 2 things. First one is, whenever you will get any videos like this, they will give you time for each and everything. Okay. Here you could see 4 minutes, 15 seconds, 3 minutes, 22 seconds, 2 minutes, 53 seconds. Okay. This you have to finish it. If you want, you can listen. Okay. You can, my suggestion is you can listen this so that you will, get more knowledge on this. Okay. If you are not interested to listen, okay. So keep like this. You can go to other browsers, whatever your work, you can do it, or else open this laptop. If you are, watching TV or something, you can do it. That is your wish. Okay. Once it is completed, you automatically will get the tick mark over here. Okay. So we'll just wait for 2 more minutes. So I'll be in mute. If you have any questions, you can post.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
మనము సైన్ అప్ చేసేటప్పుడు కంపెనీ మెయిల్ లో ఏదైనా పెట్టొచ్చా?
Yes, you can keep your Gmail ID.
కంపెనీ పేరు డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది అంతేగా సార్ అక్కడ?
Yes, that's it. So company, you can keep your dream company. If you are not working, you can keep your dream company over there. If you are working some XYZ company, you can keep it that same company. But mail ID, you can provide anything. You can provide your Gmail ID or your company ID also. Nothing will happen. Okay.
సార్ కోర్స్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి?
I'll explain. Wait. Step by step we'll go. Okay.
సార్ నిన్న మీరు వాల్యూస్ పాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు పాస్ క్వరీ పారమ్స్ అని రాశారు కదా గ్రూప్ లో.
Yes.
అది నిన్న మీరు గ్రూప్ లో పాస్ క్వరీ పారమ్స్ అని రాశారు కదా సార్, అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఏం పాస్ చేయాలి?
ప్రాపర్ వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వాలండి. ఒకసారి నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
ఓకేనండి. ఓకే.
Okay, you can see here you got the tick mark, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is one step you have to remember. Second one is you can see some exercises will be there. Okay, what you have to do here, they mention some time 15 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, so once you open this, click on, see one of 5 pages, just click on next, go up to 5th page, stop it here, and then you have to wait more than 15 minutes. Okay, so you have to wait more than 15 minutes, then only you will get the check mark. So if you are doing this task and all, what you have to do, you should not go to other tab. If you go to other tab, it will not consider the time. Understood? That is the difference between this videos and setup. If you want, you can try. If you go to other tabs, if you are doing something, okay, this will not, you will not get the tick mark. You have to stay in the same pace. Got it? Yes, sir. Still any questions?
ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ కొట్టేసి టిక్ మార్క్ వచ్చేస్తే ఎలిమినేట్ అయినా సార్ అది?
ఇప్పుడు you have to go to last page. Okay, whatever is there, suppose if
Yeah.
12 will be there, you have to go to up to 12.
Yes.
Then you have to wait whatever the time they mention, 15 to 45 minutes.
Minimum 15.
15 is the minimum, max is the 45. So after 15 minutes, maybe 16th or 17th minute, you will get the tick mark over there. You
Right,
have to stay in the same page, then only you will get the tick mark. Okay, like this you have to complete all this. See here, for this I completed. Next we have to complete this, then again click on this. So you have to complete all this. Okay, here one more thing is, here you will have some exercises, quiz will be there for each and every module. This is introduction, right? So there is no quiz, I guess. Okay, there is no quiz for this. You can see for the first one, so for this you will get a quiz here. Okay, you can see at the end module quiz, click on this. So take the test. Do you want to start? Yes, I want to start. So here you will get the questions. Okay, so you have to answer all the questions, then only, see total 8 questions will be there. Okay, you have to answer all the 8 questions, or else you will not get move to further, you will not get the tick mark here. So if you don't know, here I will give you one simple tip. If you don't know anything, first initially click on whatever you want. See, I didn't read also this. Okay, so simply I am keeping like this. Okay, so whatever I like, just I am keeping over here. Understood? I did not see. Simply I am giving like this. See, maybe 8 questions I answered. Out of 8, maybe by luck 1 or 2 may be correct, remaining will be wrong. Imagine, click on finish. Do you want to finish? Yes. Okay, see, without reading also, I answered 3 proper answers, correct answers. Okay, remaining 5 got failed. Here I see I got score only 37%. So next what you can do, don't click on, reattempt. Review the questions, click on this, so that whatever the question is wrong, you can remember. See, this is wrong, 8th one. Okay, let me go with the 7th one. 7th one also wrong. 6th one correct. Okay, just remember correct ones. Only 6th one, 4th one, 2, 4, 6 correct answers. Remaining are fail, right? So now what you can do, reattempt the test. Okay, just click on this. So options will be, it will not change, it will be as it is. Okay, last time I kept B, right? This time I'll keep C. I'll go to, this is also wrong, right? So let me keep like this. Okay, let me keep A. Next, go back. 6th one is correct, right? Keep it as it is. Next, go to 5th one. 5th one, earlier I gave C. Now this time I'll give B. Go to previous one. 4th one is correct, right? 3rd one is wrong. Okay. Attributes dot. Okay, this time let me give you B. 2nd one is correct, right? I'll go to first one. Click on like this. Now what you can do, you just click on finish. This time I'll get more than 3 correct answers. Okay, see, this time I read something at least 7 questions right. Now again click on the review questions. So this time first one is the only wrong. First 2 I gave right. Now click on reattempt test. Go back to the first one. So this time you can change like this, finish it. Okay. So still that is wrong. Again, what I'll do, reattempt the test. I can keep, sorry.
First one.
This time I'll get the 100 score. Okay, finish it. So this time I'll get 100. See here you got the check mark. Okay, this is how you can do that. Okay, this is the worst scenario I'm talking. But if you are listening all these classes and all everything, you can clear easily. Okay, this is the simple trick which you need to follow. Understood?
ఓకే సార్.
Any questions?
సార్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి సార్?
చెప్తా అండి, ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
ఇక్కడ కిషోర్ మనం పెట్టిన ఆన్సర్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయా? మళ్ళీ అరేంజ్ అవ్వవు కదా మనం ఫాలో అయింది?
ఎరేజ్ కాలేదు కదా, ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా.
అవునవును.
రీఅటెంప్ట్ కొట్టకుండా రివ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ కొట్టండి ఫస్ట్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
రైట్.
చూసి రాంగ్ ఏయో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై.
యా, ఒక నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ
ఎస్
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఫర్ కూపన్ కోసం కదా ఇది, మోడల్ క్విజ్ కదా. కూపన్ ఇంకో టెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా కూపన్ తర్వాత.
సారీ, దట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్ ఎగ్జామ్.
ఓకే సార్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎగ్జామ్.
Practice, if you want to get voucher you have to finish all these things.
ఓకే.
Sir, do we need to do only the Mule 4 for Mule 3 users or the previous one also?
Previous one also, anyone you can take out of 2.
Any one we can do it.
Yes, only take one, not take 2. Okay,
Yes, only one. Okay.
clear?
యా, క్లియర్.
Okay, so like this, you have to finish everything. At the end, you will have a practice exam. Okay, it consists of 60 questions. Out of 60, what you have to do? You have to score at least 7, 6, 42. You have to, get 70%. That means 42 questions you have to write correct answers. Okay. For this, I can provide you some dumps. Okay. For this also. So you can easily clear this. Okay. So I can give you time at least, 3 days. So 3 to 5 days, maybe you can finish. Maybe Saturday, Sunday, you have full day, right? So what you can do, please, finish before Sunday or before Monday, so that you will get the voucher. I can share you dumps for main exam as well. So same questions you will get it. Answers also it will be there. Just you can prepare answers and you can attend the test, so that you will get, certification. Here. Next. So this is one task for you guys. So once you got the voucher, you have to schedule for exam. So once you finish everything, click on this courses. Sorry, click on this dashboard, go to dashboard. See here, self-paced is there, right? Once you finish this complete 100%, okay? Here you will get the one more tab, certification. Okay, in that certification, so we'll get the voucher. Okay, once you finish, then only you will get the tab here. Understood? In this tab, you will get the certification. There you can enroll it, so that you can have 2 attempts. Within 2 attempts, you have to finish this. If you fail in 2 attempts, okay, again, you have to sign up with a different mail ID. Again, you have to do the same procedure. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, go on.
On the certification, do we get any date on that? I mean, I have completed certification today.
Okay, you will get today's date with the month and the year. Okay.
Okay,
that
that's
will
what
be
I
valid
mean.
for 2 years.
2 years, but as we are going with like fake experience, I mean, so do they ask any question in the interviews?
No, simply they will ask you, have you done any certification or not?
That's it. They won't check the certification, right?
No, if they'll check you also, no problem. You just provide that certification to them. They can't do anything. Why?
Okay,
Because if you are showing 3 years of experience, that means you have to finish that exam before 3 years. Not like that. Whenever you are free, whenever you are interested, you can do that certification. That's it.
All right. Okay.
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 Yes. Okay. Next. So after that, make sure while you are attending for certification exam, you have to follow some set of rules. First thing is, very first thing, they will ask you your any one of government ID proof. Okay, so you can provide your Aadhaar or voter ID or driving license. Okay, whatever the name will be there, first name and last name, it should be same name. Okay, see here it is showing Shiva Kishore. Okay, this is not my first name and last name. My name is in my card it will be different. So what you can do, click on this profile and make sure you have to provide first name and a proper first name, last name. Understood? So this is step number 1. While going for exam, before that, you have to make sure all these things corrected. If you take Aadhaar card or voter ID or DL, driving license, whatever the name will be there, same name you have to keep it here. That is one step. Second one is, here you have to select your time zone. So here you could see lot of time zones. Okay, if you are in India, always you have to select this. Okay, suppose people from different country, from US and all. Okay, based on your time zone, whether you are in PST, EST, CST, or MST, that you can select so that you cannot miss the exam. Understood? So if you did not change, suppose if I keep your US time zone here, if I schedule the exam, okay, if you check in Indian time, maybe you may miss the exam. Understood? So
Okay, sir.
always make sure you have to select the proper time zone where you are living. Based on that, you can select this. Okay. So this is step number 2. Just click on save. That's it. It will be updated. Next. So while attending for exam, so you have to carry with your ID proof, whatever I should just now I explained, right? You have to carry that. Okay. Next step is always you have to keep one table and chair. Table and chair is mandatory. If there is no chair, suppose if you want to, sat on the bed, I want to write exam, they won't allow you. Okay. Make sure you have a proper table or chair. Okay. If you don't have table in your home, okay, you have some cupboards and all, something, right? In Windows, there you can keep your laptop and you can sit on the chair. Okay. Next thing is they will ask you to show the entire room. Okay. They will ask you to show 4 corners of your room. Okay. While writing exam, apart from you, no one should enter into the room. Okay. If someone will come, if they will notice, they will cancel your exam at any point of time. So you are going to be monitored entire 2 hours. Okay. And one more thing, they will ask you to share your screen. Okay. So you have to share your entire screen to them. So if you open any unnecessary tabs, okay, they will close you all. They will close all the tabs. Okay, you have to open only one Chrome or something. Whatever you open, only one window. Apart from that, you should not open other tabs and all. Okay. So while if you got any question, you should not Google it. Okay, they will come to know because you are sharing your screen to them. Okay. While writing the exam, okay, you are always monitored. Okay. These are the rules, I can say, rules or guidelines you have to follow while writing the exam. Okay. So once you start the exam, you will have 2 hours of time. So within 2 hours, you have to finish the exam. Okay. If you know questions and answers, you can finish in the span of 10 minutes also. Once you've done the exam, you can submit it. Immediately you will get the result, whether you passed or failed. Everything you will get it. Understood? Any questions here?
Yeah, hello sir. When should we take this exam?
Once you got the voucher, you can take it. You can schedule it, you can take it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So after all the classes of MuleSoft course or in the middle also we can take it?
You can take it maybe, Monday also, no problem.
No,
Because
sir, because we don't know anything about the subject knowledge. We don't have a.
I'm going to share everything, right?
Okay, without completing the course also we can study
Yeah,
the
you
terms
can.
and we can do.
Yes, you can do that.
Okay. Or is it preferable like after course it's good to
That is your wish. If questions will change, I'm not responsible for that.
Oh, okay.
That time you will face some difficulties if you want to crack that exam.
So your suggestion is middle of the course is good.
My suggestion is finish as soon as possible. Better maybe Sunday or Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe the questions might be changed. It will be
Yes,
difficult for
I
us.
don't know when they are going to change the questions. If they'll change the questions, it is very difficult to crack the exam.
Certificate. Okay. Exam. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Others?
So today will you provide the dumps or maybe on next Monday like that?
Yeah, I'll provide. I'll post you in the group.
Okay.
Today or tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, and yesterday video also we didn't receive anything by mail or in WhatsApp, sir.
Did you accepted that invite? 1 second.
I didn't get any invitation. I sent my email address, but I didn't get any invitation from your side. I
Okay,
checked.
hold on. Usually, I'm not going to, involve with videos, materials and all. So
Okay.
Venkat sir will involve. Okay, I'll ask him to share that. Just hold on
Yeah.
2 minutes. I'll call to him and I'll ask him to join here. Just allow me 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Yankat sir already
He
shared, sir.
shared.
Already he created a group and he shared mails as well.
I think you didn't receive any invite. Please check your mail ID, whatever you provided.
Yesterday
In
class I didn't get.
In mail, I didn't receive anything, sir. I'm pretty sure about it because I
Hold
checked.
on. I'll ask him to join this session.
Yeah.
వాట్సాప్ లో యూట్యూబ్ వీడియో షేర్ చేశారు సార్.
Okay. I'll ask him. Just give me some time.
Okay. WhatsApp. Huh?
సార్
హలో సార్.
సార్ చెప్పండి.
ఫ్రీగా ఉన్నారా?
ఫ్రీగానే ఉన్నా సార్. చెప్పండి.
ఒకసారి జాయిన్ అవుతారా వీళ్ళకి? అదే చెప్పండి ఎలా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాలి మెయిల్స్ అది ఇది.
నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఈ రోజు నా బర్త్డే సార్.
ఓ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే.
ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళారు, సిస్టమ్ అయితే ఆన్ చేయలేదు, గలీజ్ గా ఉంది.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అంటే ఫ్యామిలీ, నా క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ అందరూ వచ్చారు.
ఓకే
15 మంది వరకు.
టుమారో
జాయిన్ అవుతాం సార్, ఏమనుకోవద్దు.
నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
ఈమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ అన్ని కూడా పెట్టలేదు.
ఓకే
మళ్ళీ చెప్పిన కాడి నుంచి నాకు ఇన్విటేషన్ రాలేదు అది ఇది అంటారు. షీట్ అయితే పెట్టాను.
ఓకే
10 మందిని ఇంకా నేను ఎంటర్ చేయాల్సి ఉంది. కుదరలా ఇంకా ఈ రోజు.
నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్. విల్ క్యాప్చర్ టుమారో.
చెప్తాను సార్ నేను.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Okay, see, he is busy. Okay, today is Thursday. Okay.
Yeah, and I received the first class of 30th November and 1st December, but not the yesterday's one in the.
No. Everything you will get through Google Drive. They will create one classroom. In that you will get it. Everything, very clear.
Daily basis, sir?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
So you will get like this. This is the classroom. See, this is previous batches. Okay, just I'm showing example. Okay, so here you will get the classroom invite. Once you got this, okay, so you can see class will be there. See, this is the demo, first class. Okay, so we'll get like this. You have to click on this. It will take to YouTube link. So there you will get all your videos. Okay.
I tend to type so fast that there are spelling errors or some of my sentences. This conference will now be recorded.
So ila untundi. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So like this, you can receive all your class videos will be like this. Okay. See, this is class number 9, 10, 11. Like this, you will get it 12, 13. See, in middle, they shared some interview questions. Like this, everything, materials, everything, you will get it. Okay. So if you have any questions related to videos, resumes, and as well as, materials, you can contact with the Venkat sir. Okay. He is admin in our group. Okay. Apart from my number, you could see 2 more numbers. Okay. In that you can contact with the one guy, Venkat. Okay, so that he can help you. Don't worry, tomorrow he will explain you how to accept that invite, everything, so that you will get the recordings. Don't worry. Yesterday recording they posted in the group. You can take that. Maybe today also he is going to post you in the WhatsApp only, because he is a little busy with his celebration. Maybe tomorrow he can provide access to everyone. Okay.
Hi. Do we get like PDF?
Yeah, material you will get it. You will get it.
Okay, thanks so much.
Which consists of almost 540 pages will be there. You will get that. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from that, I am going to share my one more PPT. So that PPT, let me open this. So this is my PPT. So here all interview questions will be there, everything. Okay.
Are you
So
going to send
first,
a customer too?
yeah, I'm going to send this after, at the end of the course. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, here how you need to introduce yourself to the interviewer, what and all your roles and responsibilities. They may ask you right in the interview. So I prepared like this, all these roles. Okay. Then what is your project? Example project I gave here. Okay. What is API led approach? These are all, interview questions. So what and all the best practices or coding standards in your project? I wrote like this. Okay. So what is RAML? What is trait? What is the life cycle of this RAML? So everything I prepared, what are the best practices in RAML? Okay. So like this, I prepared almost all the interview questions here. Okay. If you follow my PPT, almost I can say 60% you can answer all the questions if you go for any kind of interview. Almost these questions only will get in the interview. Apart from that, you can get few more interview questions that I'm going to share with you guys. Okay. So I prepared somewhere that also. So let me open this interview. See here, interview questions will be there. This is for Accenture company. Okay. This is for TCS. This is for L&T. Like this, I prepared all the interview questions. I'm going to share all these interview questions with you. Okay. And I can refer you some of the companies after completion of this course. Here all the HR mail IDs and the companies. You can see almost 50 to 60 references are there. I can provide this. Apart from this, I'm going to refer few more companies. Okay. And this is practice exam dump. So what I will do, I am going to share with you right away. Where it is, practice test.
So for each and every certification like basic, intermediate and advanced, we have 2 attempts, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So for the certification, we need to pay the money.
No, you don't want to pay single rupee.
Okay.
Usually earlier we need to pay $250 to get this voucher. Now MuleSoft offering free of cost, but you have to finish whatever I explained.
Okay.
If you finish, then only you will get, all the things. Clear?
Finish means the course you are talking about?
Sorry?
Finish the, what you said means the course which you are talking about or the dumps?
Not dumps, just now I explained, right? You
Oh.
have to log in with this course, you have to finish this.
Yeah.
So once you finish this, you will get the voucher. You don't want to pay single rupee to anybody. Okay.
Try
Earlier,
to send the today's video also, sir, because it's very important for the certification.
yes. Today video also you will get it maybe. See, he is busy with his work. Okay.
I understand.
Maybe today you may not get this link.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow you may get, or else if possible, I'll only share this link. Okay. I'll post the link. You will get it. See, here we have different kinds of certifications. Okay. This is MCD level 1. That means this is the entry level. So earlier, if you want to enroll this, we need to pay $250. Okay. Now we are getting free of cost. So once you clear this, then you have to work as a developer. If you work 2 to 3 years, then so you can go with any one of the certification. Okay. MCIA or MCPA. MCD means MuleSoft Certified Developer. Okay. MCPA means MuleSoft Certified Platform Architect. Okay. This is mostly related to our Anypoint platform. Okay. So how we are going to do deployment, all kind of questions, you will get it here. MCIA means MuleSoft Certified integration architect. So here integration is nothing but combination of these two. Okay. See, if you want to go for enroll the training, okay, you have to pay $6250. Almost in Indian currency, okay, it is 4 lakhs some 50,000. Almost around you can pay 4.5 lakh in Indian currency. So they will give you only 5 days of training. 5 days of training. Okay. So you have to pay this much. Okay. So if you are working any of the organizations, you will get free of cost. If you are performing well, okay, so that what they will do, they can offer you this as a free of cost. Okay. So if you don't want to training, if you want to just a voucher, you can pay $375. Clear? So these are the different types of certifications available. Apart from this, there are some other certifications will be there, like data view, RAML, that are all not required. Mainly they are going to focus only these 3 trainings. First, as a developer, we have to finish this certification. That is fair enough. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, just try to finish this. Apart from this, any questions?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ లో రెఫర్ చేస్తామన్నారు కదా సార్.
ఎస్
సార్ ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ సార్ నేను ఇండివిజువల్ గా వెళ్ళడానికి మీరు రెఫర్ చేయడానికి కొంచెం డిఫరెన్స్ అని చెప్తారా సార్?
It doesn't make any difference. Okay.
Sir, the certificate is mandatory for getting the interview, or?
Yeah, it is mandatory. Nowadays, all companies are asking. Okay. See, I will tell you why. See, suppose if you are not, completed this certification, so someone else completed. You both, got call from HR. Okay. Then she will prefer to whom? To you or someone?
Certification person.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there only you can judge like this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So someone told me they are facing some issue. I think please let me know. I can make you presenter. Someone asked me, right? Some curly braces issue, something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your name?
But my name shows like Vijay Morampudi, my husband's name.
Okay, okay. Let me make you presenter.
Yeah, but actually yesterday what happened is it's
I
very
just share your screen. I can help you.
yeah, okay, okay. The green
made a-
one, I mean to say.
Your screen. I made a host.
Okay.
Click on share screen. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. See where you wrote this example. I told you you have to follow the proper indentation. Scroll down
Okay. Scroll down. Okay.
and down only. You can see this curly braces where you kept.
Okay. Where
Just select everything. Select everything. All 3. No, curly brace. Select that. No, don't select example. Okay. Now hit tab.
hit tab. Okay.
Now one more. Keep on moving right side. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Come 2 steps back. Shift tab.
Shift tab. Okay.
One more. One more. Okay. See, now there is no error over there.
Okay.
Now where you wrote 400, I told you
Uh-huh.
wherever 200 is there, exactly on the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah, indent 200 400
No,
same.
no, no. Hold on, hold on. Go back, go back.
Okay.
Go back one more step. Select everything.
Okay, sir.
Now use tab now. Go back. Go back. One more.
Go back.
No. Right side.
Right side. Okay.
Tab. Wait. Okay. No. Shift tab.
Left one.
Okay. Hold on. Still you are facing something. Unselect that. So you have to follow the proper indentation.
Okay.
Braces
No.
are not correct, sir.
No braces problem.
Body application is an example.
No, sir. Braces.
Braces, sir. Braces.
400.
Select that and move. You didn't select first one. Okay. Remove it.
More I need to move.
No. You can check the previous one, 200.
I think I'm fine with this.
Okay, that is okay. Or
Just
else you can give me control.
okay, how to give the control, sir?
There you will get options.
Remote control.
Yeah.
Remote control or more?
1 second. I'll ask you. You just approve. Click on yes.
Okay.
You got the pop-up, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What happened? See, always you have to follow the indentation.
Okay.
సార్ కంట్రోల్ ఎక్స్ కంట్రోల్ వై పనిచేస్తుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ?
చేస్తుందండి.
ఓకే.
చూడు వస్తుంది కదా. ఓకే.
Okay, sir.
Something very first line only you wrote very wrong. You can see there is a gap here. I clearly explained you. Resource path always start with the first line.
Okay.
See, everything is wrong, whatever you did. See, always use the intelligence. If you get intelligence, then only whatever you wrote, that is correct. Query parameters. Then
if intelligence is not coming, we have to
It will
know
come.
that the indentation is wrong, you mean?
yes, you are right.
Okay.
Number 1. Okay.
Sir,
That's
when
right.
I have a doubt regarding this program, whenever I type this program, actually it whenever I press the enter,
Okay.
shows me the next line. Okay.
See, here I am typing, right? Number 2. Now tell me what is it?
Yeah.
Selected, hit enter. Directly it will go there.
Okay. So no need of my own indentation. It follows the
Yeah,
correct
it will go automatically.
automatic.
Okay. Next, required. So everyone follow like this.
Sir, is it okay to leave 6th line empty?
No problem. Nothing will happen. Responses.
లైన్స్ గ్యాప్ వదిలిన ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, ఇండెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం రాదు.
Indentation, very good. Indentation, you have to follow the proper indentation. Body.
సార్ కింద వచ్చే వాటిని ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంటారా సార్? మనం ఒక వాట్సాప్
This we can call it as intelligence. Whatever you are getting in the chef, that is called intelligence.
So what is indent?
Sorry?
What is indent? Indentation.
Indentation అంటే అదండి, ఇట్లా ప్రాపర్ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు, వీటిని ఇండెంటేషన్ అంటారు. Okay. So like this you can add it. Okay, you will not get any issues. Clear?
అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ సార్, అక్కడ HTTP అని మాత్రమే ఇచ్చారు కదా, HTTPS సెలెక్ట్ చేయలేదు కదా, దాని వల్ల ఏదైనా ఎఫెక్ట్
problem.
ఉంటుందా?
No, nothing will happen.
ఓకే.
If you want, you can give HTTP or HTTPS. If you want to provide both, you can provide. Nothing will happen. So this is how you can write. Or if you want to write in a different format, just delete this. So here you can write comma. Hold on.
Sorry, sir, my son. Elijah, go out.
Okay. So
Sir, where I am? I'm sorry.
you are in Gmail.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem. क्या हुआ? Okay, like this you can add it.
Okay.
See, resource path always start with the first line. Okay, you can refer my video one more time.
Okay.
I told you, right? Very first time you may get this kind of errors. No problem. Keep on practicing.
That's it. Thank you.
Everyone. Okay.
Right, sir.
So someone like one more person asked me. Okay. I don't know your name. May I know your name?
My name, sir?
Yeah.
Jasmine, sir.
Okay, Jasmine. Like, can you make me presenter?
Yeah. How to do that?
Click on
Stop.
participants. Click on participants.
Okay.
There you can see all participants' name. There, MuleSoft faculty is there, right?
Where, sir? I can't.
One second. I'll only make myself. I
You
have
can
remote control. Hold on.
Wait.
Don't do anything.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
No, you have to make this. So click on that participants.
Participants.
Are you seeing MuleSoft faculty name over there?
Yeah, waiting for faculty to control your screen.
No.
Ah.
MuleSoft faculty is there, right, in the participants.
Okay, I'm just checking. Yes.
check right
yeah.
side.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, make a cursor over there in my name. You will get two options, mute and more.
Yeah.
Click on that more drop down, make
Okay.
host.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now what I'll do, you can stop your screen now.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, others, any issues? So today, complete day, we discussed about this certification. So tomorrow I will start our actual class. So this is very, very important. That's why I took this much of time. Okay.
Right, sir.
Sir,
the class.
రేపు కంపల్సరీగా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయండి సార్.
Which one?
Material.
Okay, sure. You will get the material tomorrow.
Yeah, one more thing, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Sir, so will you send the dumps for today?
Yeah.
To the mail address or WhatsApp, sir?
Already I sent you in the chat box. Can you download? Can someone download and post in the group? Practice exam dumps. So main exam dumps I can post you after a few days. Once you got the voucher, you just let me know, I can post.
Sir, I was not in the group. Can you please add me?
Sorry, you are not there in the group.
Yeah, I was not in the group.
Ramya, you are old student, right?
Yes,
Old
yes.
batch.
Yeah.
Okay, you just text to me, okay, so that
Sure.
I can show you.
Definitely. Okay.
Others?
సార్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ ప్రొసీజర్ అయిపోయిందా? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో కవర్ చేస్తారు.
Sorry?
ఇన్స్టలేషన్ ప్రొసీజర్ సార్.
What installation? Anypan Studio?
Yes, sir.
No, not yet covered. Now we are in design phase. Once we finish this, okay, we'll see that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys, any other questions? Helen,
So,
any questions?
example, just now I received the dump
Okay, okay.
PDF. For example, if I work on this by the next weekend, can I write the exam, sir?
That is your wish. Okay.
Okay. Okay. For this, we don't need to pay a single amount, but we have to inform you, right?
No problem. You can directly also attend. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions from Helen? Any questions from your end?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. Others?
సార్ అవి ఇందాక మీరు చూపించారు కదా టెస్ట్ తీసుకోమని అవి మనకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు కొంచెం కొంచెం అలా కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చా లేకపోతే మొత్తం ఒకటేసారి కంప్లీట్ చేయాలా?
Your wish, boss.
ఓకే సార్.
See, if you order biryani, so if you whenever you like, you can eat. That's it. Everything will be there in your plate. I showed you how to prepare that exam. Okay. I gave dumps as well. So whenever you free, that is your interest.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
after getting voucher, how many days it will be there, sir? That voucher.
Validity, I'm not sure, man. I don't know how many months. Okay.
Okay.
But anyway, we don't take that much time, right? Once we got the voucher, we will attend the exam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So if you want that, you can, send a mail to MuleSoft team. They will update you.
So just a question.
Yes.
Yeah, so there are 120 pages are there in the what do you call this, dump. So if we are
See,
good in this, yeah.
Forgot about pages. Okay. There some 60 questions and answers will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone while writing the exam, one of my student, okay, he took screenshot and she prepared like that. Okay.
Screenshots. Okay.
Okay. So if you don't have any questions, I'm going to wind up this session now. We'll catch up tomorrow. Any questions? Post me in WhatsApp.
ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా మామూలుగా ఈ 7-8 రౌండ్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, అవి శాంపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లాగా.
Correct.
రైట్ సార్, రైట్. గట్ ఇట్.
Okay, no questions. All are good.
Ask some questions for us, sir, regarding
Yeah.
HTTP and HTTPS, and what is the difference between RAM 0.8 and 1.0.
Okay.
I got the information regarding HTTP and HTTPS.
Okay.
I didn't see that what is the RAM 0.8 and the RAM 1.0, sir.
You didn't receive?
Yeah.
Still, you can Google it. You will get it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If not, someone will post. Copy that answers.
Okay, sir.
Simple.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. No questions, right? Okay. Then we'll catch up tomorrow. We will start our actual classes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any questions, always feel free to reach out to me through WhatsApp. Okay. Still, if you are not clarified, if you want to talk with me, just you can text me so that I can talk to you guys. Okay.
Sir, can we get this video today?
Studio. Okay. Just can someone text me after 9 o'clock so that I can share that link. Maybe for generating it will take some time. Can someone post me around 9 o'clock? I can share this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Bye, sir.
థ్యాంక్స్ ఆల్.
Thanks.
Thanks, sir.